may be pardon your lordship. Criminal appeal your lordship. Earlier, bail application heard by your lordship.
53 लिखନ୍ତୁ 71 लिखନ୍ତୁ वाह बेल लोगोटा लिखिबा आइटम 59
168 by 68
लिखନ୍ତୁ
एमपी केस नंबर 296/2023 ए केस टा मु इन पर्सन निजे करथली किंतु मो एब्सेंट रे एडिशनल स्टैंडिंग काउंसिल पड़ी आइछि मो एब्सेंट रे एडिशनल स्टैंडिंग काउंसिल टा पड़ी आइछि लॉर्ड 17/3/2023 मसे रे आपण सैलरी अटैचमेंट पे ऑर्डर करथिले किंतु सेटा पर्यंत फुली कंप्लाई हे पालो नहीं आउ आज की 8 मास लाण मु भी एरियर भी पाइनी पेंडिंग अछि
लास्ट वीक रे मेंशन करथिले मैटर
आज्ञा सर आस्थली
हां हां पूरी हां अच्छा से असाइनमेंट कोन चेंज ही जाई छी आपन करो तो
मॉडिफिकेशन ऑर्डर टा
हां
मॉडिफिकेशन ऑर्डर टा थिला सर
मॉडिफिकेशन ऑर्डर से ठीक मूव करंतु से दिन मो पाक पठेबे कोन एप्रोप्रिएट कोर्ट कोटा इंस्ट्रक्शन नै जानतु रजिस्टर रो सेही कोर्ट रे मेंशन करंतु जदी मॉडिफिकेशन ऑर्डर पई एठी पठेबे विथ द परमिशन ऑफ द ऑनरेबल चीफ जस्टिस मु नेबी हला तो बर्तमान असाइनमेंट चेंज ही जाईची आपण एप्रोप्रिएट कोर्ट रे मेंशन करन
सर फ्रेश एडमिशन सिना हे परिबने किंतु मॉडिफिकेशन ऑर्डर तो आपण करथिले
मॉडिफिकेशन ऑर्डर पई से कोर्ट को गले सी जदी चाहिबे चीफ जस्टिस को परमिशन नै कि एठी के आसीबो हला इन मैटर टा हला आपण जा
Lordship, may kindly pardon me. Lordship, may kindly pardon me to make a mention. Item number 102.
Okay, we are
please take up this matter. The petitioner is in custody since last 4 years, Lordship.
London Council, please be alert after lunch. Okay.
Lordship obliged. 102. Lordship.
My lord, pardon to mention item number 120 and 118 and 120 kindly when taken up after lunch.
18. Okay.
My lordship may kindly take up the matter 144, sir, with 44, sir, same case, sir.
All right, note it down.
My lord, 151, recalling order of 2019.
Please give the number. They are preparing a list. You can give it after lunch. It will be taken up. Okay. Please give the list. The London Council are outside. Just enter that number in list here.
Supplemental list, item number 1.
May I please? This is an application of section 438 CRPC, my lord. Since earlier bail application was disposed of by lords.
What order was passed?
They are my on surrendering parity.
Yes, that is the order. I have seen it.
Right.
So what is the problem now? Why have you again come?
No, here another petitioner. Another petition.
All right.
Another petition, but your lordship, no allegations against the present petition.
Right.
Because in preliminary charge sheet, mine.
Yogyal has been released on bail.
All the yes, ma'am.
Okay. Claim of parity that is there. Okay, same order as in ABL appeal number 16872 of 2021. Order all right, dispose.
Item 2.
The case is under section 420 of the Indian Penal Code. 417, 420, 467, 468, 294, 506.
You earlier approved this code?
No, madam.
Then
persons are released on bail by the
500 of 2022.
Persons are released on bail by the similar footing.
Same footing.
Same footing.
Item 4.
307 case counter case and soon before the no, one co-accused has been granted bail, that is 5522 of 2024.
Same footing.
Yeah, same footing.
Allowed.
No bail as well.
Item 5.
Item 5 on behalf of Mr. Raut, Lordship. It is a case of 379, Lordship. Your Lordship has already
Really allowed.
Item 6.
Petition is implicated 376 2N, 376 3.
Usual order. Land counsel for the petitioner filed the deposition copy of the verified victim and informant, which is taken on that one. Copy of so served on the land and counsel for the state. 1 week for a date fixed up for the case diary to be obtained. So also confirmation of notice on the informant. Okay. Yes.
Item 7.
May I please? Offense my lord 302 my lord.
First time was cheap.
First time.
Case diary.
So witness nation.
Acha.
Out of 19 witnesses, my lord, 16 witnesses already examined.
All right. You go through it and bring the case diary. If any status report. Case diary, criminal antecedent, let us state anyway. Status report, tolo kotu asibo, hala. Deposition copy already filed.
Unanswered too.
All right. 1 week after.
Date, my lord.
Gote saptah pore shukrawar din asibo. Yes.
Item 8 lordship, pay for password lordship.
No, land and counsel, it is a phrase matter, so case diary is not available. The state council is seeking for time to obtain the case diary. So it will come after 1 week on the Friday, and time I am calling for the status report. Okay.
Lordship.
PD, CA and status report. Yes, next.
Item 9.
Sir, Ranjan Rao, phrase matter to
Status report and
all right. Status report, CD and CA. That is your matter.
Item 9.
9 case diary nahi, case diary criminal antecedent status report.
Yes.
Item 10.
May I please your lordship, my lord? That the present petitioner, my lord, though implicated in the, though his name is there in the affair, the charge sheeted
302 case. 302 case.
this is the case where they have supplied equation copy of 5 to 6 witnesses. But in the meantime, 14 witnesses are examined. And that last witness examined on 39 2023. So status report.
No, my lord,
is available.
my lord, this petitioner's case has not yet been started, my lord. He has not been charged, my lord. He has been.
What he submits that if the in the case of the co-accused persons, 14 witnesses have been examined. Maybe if we know that what are the materials at least come, that can be a thing to assess the evidence.
Those evidence I have given.
You have given only 5. What he says that in
on the basis of them, my lord, I have been added as accused under section 319 CRPC, my lord.
Who evidence asila जोथि पाई आपण accused नथिले भी आपण को 319 ने add कला तो आपण समस्त डिपोजिशन कॉपी देई नाहंती से सेया कहउचंती 14 टारू आपण 5 टा देइचंती
से मानक एविडेंस रे मु ऐड हेच, my lord. That is your lordship.
आपण अन्य मानकर एविडेंस कॉपी आनी दउ नाहंती कोन पई फर्स्ट टाइम आसी गिव द डिपोजिशन कॉपी. Is it not correct that 14 witnesses have been examined so far?
I have been implicated in this case on the basis of
Land and counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner has been arraigned as an accused on a petition under section 319 CRPC filed by the state. And by that time, 5 witnesses have been examined
No, no. By that time, 14 witnesses were examined.
14 witnesses are
My lord, page 58, your lordship, kindly have a glance. My lord.
However, he has supplied the deposition copies of 5 witnesses to the Land Council for the state. Let the Land Council supply the deposition copies of the rest of the witnesses to the Land Council. Put up this matter, such answers. Yes, and he
My
also filed for the court.
Last witness September 8
September status report time magidon.
My lord, I have copies, my lord. I will Monday, my lord.
If
Lordship, next
any further witness has been examined in the meantime after PW 14, the Land Trial Court shall send the deposition copies of those witnesses, on receipt of which a set of deposition shall be supplied to the Land Council for the state, another set of deposition to the Land Council for the petitioner. After PW 14, if any witness has been. Yes.
my lord. Is it date, my lord? 1 week after, my lord.
Yes, yes. 1 week after on Friday. Yes.
Item 11.
Please, your lordship. The second bail application, my lord.
It is
Last
a fresh matter.
test matter.
So CD, criminal antecedent and status report. Yes.
Yes, okay.
Item 12.
Please, your lordship. I'm filing a comprehensive copy of the judgment of the Apex Court, my lord. The petitioner was arrested on 2019. His earlier bail application was disposed of on merits, directing the trial court to complete the trial within 6 months.
Where is that order? Yes.
BLAPL 4331 of 2020. Thereafter, on 2 occasions, he has been granted interim bail for 3 months. And out of 25 witnesses, only 4 witnesses have been examined.
25 ରୁ 4.
He's in custody.
ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
order sheet ଅଛି ଯୋଉ କହୁଛନ୍ତି 25 ଟାରୁ 4ଟା ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି order sheet ଅଛି last
sheet
witness
ନାହିଁ,
କେବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
PW4 କେବେ examine ହେଇଥିଲେ
12/10/2023.
ଦେଖି No, this is the deposition copies. I'm asking about the order sheet.
Order sheet.
To show that after PW4, no other witness has been examined. Otherwise, I have to call the status report. Okay? Better ରଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଟା ଆପଣ ରଖନ୍ତୁ state କୁ copy ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି. The Land Council for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner was taken into custody in the year date କଣ ଅଛି
28/11/2019.
28/11/1919 ନା 2019 2019 and though there was a direction to the Land Trial Court to conclude the trial within a period of 6 months. As per the order dated 9/2/2021 in BLAPL number 4331 of 2020, the same has not, and out of 25 charge sheet witnesses, only 4 witnesses have been examined. And the petitioner has been released on bail twice on interim bail for a period of 3 months on each occasion. Okay. And after availing the same, he surrendered at right time. Let a status report be called for from the Land Trial Court. So also a report whether the petitioner, after availing the interim bail period, surrender at right time or not. Stop. Land Council for the state shall produce the on the next date and also obtain instruction whether there is any allegation of misutilization of liberty by the petitioner while on interim bail for 2 times. Matter will be listed a week after on Friday.
Item 13.
Pardon, my lord. Item 11. The petitioner belongs to Andhra Pradesh. So, address verification.
এটা 11 টা লিখে দেবে Andhra Pradesh. Address verification to be made. Super will make necessary communication. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Item 13.
My lord, in this case, charge sheet has been submitted against the petitioner under section 147, 148, 342, 302, 201, 149 of IPC.
302 case. Have you received the case diary?
No, my lord.
Okay. Get the case diary, CD, criminal antecedent, status report. Mr. Saran, any witness has been examined in the trial court?
8 witness.
8 witnesses are examined.
Have you supplied the deposition copies?
Yes,
Yes,
my
sir.
lord.
Okay.
All the eyewitnesses are examined, but they did not support the prosecution case.
All right. We'll see that. Let him. Yeah.
Obliged, my lord.
Item 14.
14, my lord, is a fresh case of 302 and 25 up, sir.
CD achi?
No, madam.
Okay. CD, CA, status report. Next.
Item 15.
15, madam, may I please, your lordship? Lord, this is the second bail application of the petitioner, my lord.
What happened when you approached this court first time?
My lord, on last bail, your lordship granted reject and direct the court below to conclude.
What is that BLAPL number and what have you got the copy of that order?
Yes, your lordship.
Pass on, pass on.
Lordship has directed to.
Just a minute. So you were granted interim bail for a period of 3 months.
Yes, your lordship.
Then what happened after availing? You surrender at right
Yes,
time?
your lordship. I had surrendered filed a bail application to release me on the bail, my lord.
Okay, when I released you on bail, by that time, out of 16 charge sheet witnesses, 6 had been
Yes, your
charged.
lordship.
6 witnesses are yet to be examined.
Yes, your
So,
lordship.
what is the present position?
But till date, no further examination has happened, my lord.
All right. The learned counsel for the petitioner produced the copy of the bail order of the petitioner in BLAPL number 674 of 2022, wherein, as per order dated 5/1/2024, granted interim bail for a period of 3 months. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that there is no further examination of witnesses after the order was passed by this court, and the petitioner has surrendered at right time after availing the interim bail period. So, start then whether the petitioner has surrendered at right time or not, that is to be also reported by the trial court. And the learned counsel for the state to obtain instruction whether he has misutilized the liberty while on interim bail. All right. So, matter to be listed on Friday, week after. Yes.
My lord, I have surrendered the copy application. Surrendered the order.
All right, all right.
Item 16.
Susan Honor, NDPS Lordship, this is the third round bail application. Previously, your lordship was granted interim bail for 3 months, and the petitioner surrendered in the right time. That is
order kahin?
Page 16 is the surrender.
Page 16. No, page 16 ଟା ହଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର
Page 18 lordship. Sorry, my lord. Page 18 lordship.
Page 18.
Lordship.
ନାଇଁ ଆଗେ ଯୋଉ ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଡର ଟା ଦେଇଥିଲି କାହିଁ ତାର କପି ନାହିଁ? ହଉ ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ମଗେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା ଆଉ state to obtain instruction whether during period of interim bail 3 months ପାଇଁ ଦିଆଯାଇଥିଲା. He was granted interim bail for whether he has been misutilized the liberty. All right. The week after it will come on the file.
Item 17.
Mr. Pranab Kumar Das. So it is also NDPS Act. he had come earlier or what? Vishwajit Malik. क्या आसथिले आगुरु दी थर 2023 रे लास्ट टाइम आसथिले 575 अच्छा पासवर्ड बतान देखते हैं
Item 18.
12. Password, sir. 12.
yes Mr counsel
12 p.m. रे.
कौन कहउचंदी
Password, sir. After 12 p.m.
पासवर्ड चाहउचंदी
Sir.
केस डायरी अछि
Yes, sir. No.
ओके
12 p.m.
हां वर्तमान
Belgium matter.
बेल्जियम मैटर
Yes, sir.
NVW is 24/6/2020 as per the rejection.
Your Honor.
आपनो ना कोन
N. Narayan Sunar. Advocate N. Sunar.
एन सुना एसयूएन
SUN. Sir, now concerned advocate is present now. He
नाइ
also.
मु आपन को ना लेखुची डॉक्टर नारायण सुना लैंड
Your
काउंसिल
Honor.
बेल्जियम केस इट इज अलाउड यस नेक्स्ट
Item 19.
May I please, your lordship? So, case under section 20B2C, the petitioner was not named in FIR matters. Neither he was taken. His name was not.
आगुर आस्तिले
Na.
आ इटा उडे कोन बीएलएपीएल
My lord has granted bail to that accused, who is the brother of main accused, my lord, Sunil Majhi.
आंटनी केस डायरी अछि आनो केस डायरी क्रिमिनल एंटीस्टेट 1 week after
Item 20.
May I please, my lord?
yes Mr Panda
20B2C. My lord,
आगुरु
Agur Astili, page 26, my lord. Annexure 4, 26, BLAPL 5608 of 22, by order dated 24/24. It appears the case record that the rejection order is dated 25/4/22. It still it is in the trial court. The petitioner is at liberty to move the lawnet
कौन
court.
वर्तमान पोजीशन कौन
The Bhartan position charge has been 1 to 2 witness only examined.
हॉस्पिटल स्टार्टअप रिपोर्टर केबेट रोइलेन
24/4/22 local 3 months entry.
स्टाटस रिपोर्ट आल्सो स्टाटस रिपोर्ट अमोल यस
Start. I may pardon. Status report, custody certificate.
आओ अच्छा ये कस्टडी सर्टिफिकेट आओ क्रिमिनल एंटीसेडेंट है ना सीडीसी फॉर्मेट है ना यस नेक्स्ट
Item 20.
Here he had approached your lordship. Your lordship had granted 3 months interim bail.
केबे बीएलएपीएल
आया
नंबर ता केते
हाँ BLAPL number 3529 of 23, which was
3 मास में जाइथिले
आया तापर एक्सटेंड कला तापर एक्सटेंड हेतला तापर he surrender. I have given the surrender.
वर्तमान पोजीशन कौन
So out of 26 witnesses, only 9 have been examined.
ओ अदर आनी स्टाटस रिपोर्ट मगेवे तापरे
And all others are on bail.
report be called for whether he has misused the liberty है ना matter to be listed a week after on Friday है ना yeah.
Item 22.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, offense 302 and other allied offenses, lordship.
केस डायरी
No, well, that's
आगुर आस्तिले
No, first time against the petitioner.
ଏଠି କାହିଁ ଆସିଛି co-accused କୁ
Co-accused 2017 ରେ ଫାଇଲ୍ କରିଥିଲା co-accused.
PD CA କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲାଣି?
ସେ 11th 5th 2024.
24 ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏବେ status report ଦରକାର. Yes, next.
Item 23.
Please, Your Lordship, notes. I am in custody since 6th of January 2020. Earlier, the case of the petitioner was dismissed for non-prosecution. I have renewed my prayer subsequently after examination of witnesses which I have annexed.
Mr. Panda, what is the stage of the proceeding in the court below?
Plus, 3 witnesses of whom I have annexed as Annexure 3 series have been examined as per my instructions.
The PW3, he was examined on 17th February 2023.
Again.
So, only 1 year and 6 months have been passed.
Again.
No witness has been examined in the meantime.
But I have no instructions with regards to that. Mr. Lordship will call for the.
All right. I'm calling for. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner was taken into judicial custody on 6/1/2020, and he has annexed the deposition copies of 3 witnesses, from which it reveals that PW3 was examined on 17th February 2023. When a query is made by this court to the Learned Counsel for the petitioner that whether any further witness has been examined thereafter, he submits that the status report may be called for from the Learned Trial Court. In view of such submission, status report be called for. If any witness has been examined after PW3, the Learned Trial Court shall send the deposition copy of those witnesses to this court, on the receipt of which a set of depositions shall be handed over to the Learned Counsel for the state, another set to the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and the state counsel shall obtain case diary and criminal antecedents.
I may be pardoned. The petitioner is from state of Uttar Pradesh.
Acha, ye address verification to be made. Superintendent of Police of so and so shall write to so and so. Yes.
I'm grateful, Minister.
Item 24.
May please. As for noting, my lord, another advocate files your Binama.
Yeah.
As for noting.
If I am for the appellant number 2 and
Item 27.
This time I'm giving the name of the bellers outside.
ଆସିଯାଇଛି? No, no, Mr. Panda, the State Council has produced the written instruction that is written there that that the petitioner in the first title is not a correct one, and you took time to obtain instruction from the petitioner and to file the correct address. That is the order passed on 26/7/2024. ଆଉ ଅନ୍ୟ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ ବେଲର କଥା ଏଗୁଡା ତ କିଛି ଲେଖା ହେଇନି ତାଙ୍କର ସେ ରିଟିନ୍ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଆଣି ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରଡ୍ୟୁସ କଲେ 22/7/2024 ର ଫ୍ରମ ସୁପରିଟେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ ପୋଲିସ ବୌଦ୍ଧ এটা ରାଜୁ ବାଘେଲ ତ
Other case. I'll verify.
Okay.
That is 16. I'll verify.
16 you're sure?
Again.
Land Council for the petitioner seeks for an adjournment to obtain instruction as per the order dated one. So 26/7/2024. 16/8/2024. Yes.
Published.
Item 28.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, last occasion I have given the documents of the two local charities.
Verify kale?
One week time is given. 16
So 16 तारीख ଆସିବ. Land Council for the state sick 1 week further time to comply the order dated 22/7/2024. Is this matter on 16/8/2024? Yes.
Item 29.
May I please the lordship? My lord seeks for adjournment to finish the bailer particulars of one bailer. In earlier occasion, I have filed two bailer particulars, but that is after instruction that one bailer is not interested to do the security for the
So did you furnish the press documents?
It's for adjournment.
You want adjournment? କେବେ ରଖିବା ଆର ସପ୍ତାହରେ ନା ତାପର ସପ୍ତାହ?
One week after lordship.
1 week after all. Land Council for the petitioner, Mr. Guru Prasad Behra, appearing through virtual High Court Balashore, 6 for 2 weeks adjournment for them to comply the order dated 22/7/2024 on 23/8/24. 23/8 को रहिला. Yeah.
Item 30.
30, Mr. Murthy. Yes. Petitioner supplied the name, the address, and documents of 2 local sureties and upon quite a very.
They have already filed my lord, and the 16 my lord.
16. All right. Mr. T.N. Murthy, Land Council, appearing through virtual High Court from Koraput at Jaipur.
Lord, I may kindly submit something.
Yeah.
Here, a fresh prisoner's petition has been sent to court. Actually, opting to retain only T.G.N. Murthy as his counsel. And we have submitted the surety details on 17/1/24.
Okay.
Those surety details may kindly be. I think already
here,
got.
Here is the prisoner's petition, where request has been made to engage Mr. T.N. Murthy as his advocate in place of Mr. Rajiv Lochan Patnaik. Mr. T.N. Murthy, Land Council is present in virtual mode. The name of other counsel, except Mr. T.N. Murthy and his associates, shall not be reflected in the cause list henceforth. Stop. Land Council for the state takes 1 week time to comply the order dated so and so, put up this matter on 16th 2024.
My lord, may kindly see that our surety, the surety details submitted by me on 17 January 24, those may kindly be get verified.
Okay, that he is taking time till next week. So
Okay,
it will come again on 16th August 2024
Yes,
and
my lord.
take up this matter on that day. Yes.
Thank you. Obliged, my lord. Thank you.
Item 31.
Krishna Chandra Mahanti Nahanti. Okay, Pasuvate.
30.
May please, Lordship. Lordship is last date order for file the equitable judgment of the petitioner. Sorry to say that no one of whose family Lordship is ready to get the. My prayer Lordship let Lordship give direction to ready the Bhandanava Lordship for issuance of this judgment Lordship. As equitable in this case, Lordship.
ଆପଣ ସମୟ ନେଇଥିଲେ 22/7
କହିଲି intimation ଦେଲି ଯେ ସେମାନେ କି ନାହାନ୍ତି ତାର ଘର ତା ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ only ଏ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଆଣିପାରିବିନି ଆଜ୍ଞା କୋର୍ଟ ମଗେଇବେ
କଣ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି
Lordship.
ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ କପି ଆପଣ ଅବଟେନ୍ କରିପାରିବେ ନାହିଁ ତାଙ୍କର କାପାସିଟି ନାହିଁ
ନାହିଁ
ତ କୋର୍ଟ ନା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କେବେ
I will return my affidavit Lordship elaborate Lordship. Additional District Judge Bhandana and in case number 48 of 2010 Lordship. जो affidavit ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି Lordship ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ST 48 of 2010
କୋଉ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
Lordship in para 4 Lordship of this affidavit filed by Joy Lakshmi Swati.
ଓ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଥିଲେ
No ଦେଇଛି Lordship.
ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ କାଇଁ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ କଣ ଦେଇଥିଲେ କମ୍ପ୍ରିହେନ୍ସିଭ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା କୋର୍ଟରେ ଅଛି ନା ନାହିଁ ମତେ କମ୍ପ୍ରିହେନ୍ସିଭ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଦେଖିଲେ କୋର୍ଟ ରେକର୍ଡରେ ଅଛି ଏଇ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଜୟଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀ ସେଠି
Lordship.
that is dated 31/3/2024 କୋଉଟା ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି କଣ
para 4 ଲେଖିଛି
my husband is an accused so and so corresponding to so and so subsequently so and so the after divorce my husband ଏଇଟା ଆପଣ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନେବେ ନା ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
ମୁଁ
give a copy ତାଙ୍କୁ ଅଛି କପି ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ
ମୋଟେ ନା ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦଉଛି ଟେଷ୍ଟ କରି ଦେଇଦଉଛି
କପି କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ in the comprehensive affidavit filed by the wife of the petitioner in paragraph number 4 it is mentioned that the petitioner faced trial in ST case number 48 of 2010 in the court of learned additional session judge Bhanjanagar under section 302(194) IPC and he has been acquitted. And the said case arises out of Surada PS case number 97 of 2009. Let a copy of the comprehensive affidavit be served on the Learned Council for the state. We will obtain instruction on the averments taken in paragraph number 4 of the affidavit.
Lordship copy sir
copy served for them. Copy served in court. देखिए त्रिपाठी PS केस नंबर लिखा है जी तोरडा एंड ST केस नंबर लिखा है जी कोर्ट ना लिखा है जी एडिशनल सेशन जज भंजनगर आ ऑफेंस लिखा है जी एक्यूटल लिखा है जी 2014 रे एटा करेक्ट कि नहीं ने आसन हला अच्छा ये लिखि जोंतु जे दो as per the order dated so and so he was directed to file a copy of the acquittal judgment Learned Council for the petitioner submit that due to financial difficulty, the petitioner is unable to produce the same. After Italy. 1 week after the 23 तारीख में
Item 33.
Interim Milord on the order dated 22/7/24 Milord to comply for state Milord. That is address verification Milord.
List report ମଗାଇଥିଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ତାପରେ ଷ୍ଟେଟ କୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଥିଲା
ତା ଛଡା କୁହାଯାଇଥିଲା ଯେ ଆଡ୍ରେସ ଭେରିଫିକେସନ ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆସିଲା ଏଟା ପୁରୁଣାଟା ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆଟ୍ ଫ୍ଲାଗ B ହଁ ଏଇଟା ନୂଆଟା ଚଉତିରିଶଟା ୱିଟନେସ୍ ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ରେ ଦେଖାଯାଇଛି no prosecution witness has been examined so far. Mr. Tripathi.
Yes, sir.
This man is in judicial custody. କେବେଠୁ?
23/8/21
ଫରୱାର୍ଡ ହେଲା 24/8
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଉ କଣ ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର
free copy received on 30/7 let it come on 30.
Okay. Fresh status report has been received from the London Trial Court, which reveals that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 24/8/2021 and not a single examined in the trial court. The London Council for the state submitted that he may be given some further time to verify the correctness of the address furnished by the petitioner in the cause title of this matter on 23 August 2024.
Obliged.
Item 34.
The petition in custody since 9/8/2020.
ଆଣିଲେ କି କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଆଣ୍ଟିସିଡେଣ୍ଟ କେତେଟା ନାହିଁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ କଣ ମିଷ୍ଟର
Out of 15 charge sheeted witnesses, 3 witnesses have been examined, but status report has come flag B. The rejection order shows 3 witnesses, but status report has come, that is flag B.
यही लिखेंगे 15 3टा ହେଇଛନ୍ତି Or the London Council for the petition, London Council for the state submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 9/8/2020 and as on date out of 15 charge sheets देखा ये था status report 15 charge sheet witnesses, only 3 witnesses have been examined and therefore the petitioner may be granted interim bail for some time. London Council for the state produce the case diary and on verification of the same submit that the petitioner is having no criminal activity. Considering the submission, so and so will not inclining 3 months bail granted. Disposed of. At usual condition by appear before the trial.
Item 35.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
But on the last occasion, the local sureties refused petitioner for which Your Lordship had directed to furnish fresh surety details. Lords, I am furnished the fresh surety details today in course of the day, if Your Lordship will.
I'll
furnish in course of the day, madam. Your Lordship may record my submission.
London Council appearing through virtual mode submits that during course of the day you will furnish your names address local to the petitioner at the Land Council for the state obtain instruction and yes
Obliged, my lords.
Item 36.
May I please, your lordship?
Your lordship, in item 36.
Have been implicated in an offense. Yeah.
Lordship, item 36 is the CBI matter, your lordship.
Yes.
Am I audible, your lordship? Yes. Item 36 is CBI matter, your lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Sarthak Nayak. Your lordship, I'm praying for 1 week time to seek updated instructions in the matter, your lordship. The copy of the bail petition was served last week.
Okay.
I'm praying for 1 week time to seek instructions.
Mr. Sarthak Nayak, London Special Public Prosecutor for CBI, to take up the matter next week. So, in order to obtain instruction, put up this matter on 16th August 20.
May I pray one thing, my lord?
Yes.
Whether the petitioner stands similar footing along with the co-accused Abhishek Singh Chauhan, who has already released on bail.
The London Counsel for the CBI shall also verify whether the case of the petitioner is similarly situated like the
Singh Chauhan, who was released on bail on in BLAPL 119.
Singh Chauhan,
Abhishek
who has been directed to be released on bail. They can bail out of the Abhishek Singh Chauhan, who has been directed to be released on bail.
Yes.
To answer. Yes.
I'm much obliged, your lordship.
Item 37.
May I please, your lordship? Petitioner is in custody in 9/17 under section 302/34 of IPC. 4 times he was released on interim bail and co-accused persons released on bail. My lord, last occasion, your lordship is directed
Status report
to my lord.
Asila. Yes. Status report indicates that in the meantime, 20 number of charge sheet witnesses out of 20, 7 have been examined, including the wife of the deceased. Informant is reported dead as per the evidence of PW6. Other charge sheet witnesses are not turning up to adduce evidence despite summons. So, upon last time you ଯାଇଥିଲେ interim bail
Last 4 times gone interim.
ଚାରି ଥର
Last order ହେଲା BLAPL number 1101 of 23
19/5/2023 ରେ
my lord.
ସରେଣ୍ଡର ଠିକ ସମୟରେ କରିଥିଲେ?
My lord, report ବି ଆସିଥିଲା ଗତ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର କଣ ହେଇଥିଲା? Acha, you have also obtained the report that he has not misutilized the liberty. Yes. All right. Heard the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. Review the fresh status report submitted by the learned trial court, which indicates that out of 20 charge sheet witnesses, 7 witnesses have been examined. The petitioner was directed to be released on interim bail for a period of 3 months in BLAPL number 1101 of 2023 as per order dated 19/5/2023. And it appears that even though more than 1 year has passed in the meantime, but there is no further progress in the trial. The learned counsel for the state has obtained instruction that from the inspector in charge of Tarsing police station to the effect that the petitioner has not misutilized his liberty while on interim bail. 3 months bail granted. Yes, next.
Item 38.
Pardon me, my lord, I am on VC. My lord, I am on VC. The Present petitioner is in custody since 2020. No. And
What is the date you said, Mr. Murthy?
5th November 2020, my lord.
5th November 2020.
Yes, my lord.
And the status report indicates that out of 13 charge sheet witnesses, 6 witnesses have been examined.
Yes, sir. The last witness have been examined on 30th of July 24.
You are a man from
Odisha, sir. That is Jayapatna.
Jayapatna, Kalahandi. Yes.
Sir. And he was released on interim bail by your lordship's order dated 14/7/23, and he surrendered in right time.
BLAPL number?
BLAP 688 of 21. Oh, sorry, my lord. 6457 of 23.
6457 order can
23. That have annexed it at page 20, my lord. Annexure 3.
And page 20 that annex version.
Annexure 3.
Achha.
And he was only a driver of the truck, my lord. Really.
So you are to receive instruction whether he has misutilized the liberty. Achha. As per the order dated 2/8/2024, the London Council for the State has produced a written instruction received from IIC Padua Police Station, which is dated 2/8/2024, that nothing adverse has been reported against the petitioner during the interim bail period. The status report submitted by the London Trial Court indicates that out of 13 charge sheet witnesses, 6 witnesses have been examined.
Yes, madam.
Then, yes, you unissured 3 टा होची last bail order.
Yes, madam.
Only for the 3 must bail देइबे, हैना? Mr. Murthy को लगी देबे, he is appearing virtual one Koraput at Jaipur, हैना? Yes. 3 months bail granted.
Bless me.
Next.
Item 39.
May I please also? My lordship last order dated 14/3/2024. Direct to verified to local value.
कौन है ना local surety?
Man.
चलेगी?
Address verification.
Address ଆଉ ତା ଛଡା local surety documents ଦେଇଥିଲେ ପରା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ?
ନା, surety ନାହିଁ।
He is a man from UP.
Yes, ma'am.
Address verification है जी, ठीक है जी। ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି?
ନା ଦେଇଥିଲି ମୁଁ।
ଆଉ question ନାହିଁ ତ
ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ 14/3/2024 ଅର୍ଡର କଲା ପରେ ମୁଁ
14/3 ରେ ଅର୍ଡର ସିଟ୍ ରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଯେ ଆପଣ ଦେବେ ବୋଲି କହିଲେ।
ତାପରେ ମ୍ୟାଡମ ଥିଲେ ମୁଁ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଟୁ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଦେଇଦେଇଥିଲି।
ନାହିଁ ତ ରେକର୍ଡ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ ଦି London Council for the state has produced written instruction received from Yun. Superintendent of Police CORAM book that रुपया सो कष्ट करके जिसके द्वारा मुनवर पुत्र उड़न जनपद में शामिल पत्ता सत्यापन के संबंध आख्या उपलब्ध कराए जाने की अपेक्षा की गई। उपरोक्त संबंध में थाना कोतवाल व्याख्या प्राप्त जिसमें याचिका तथा मनुष्य प्राप्त की गई है। अतः मनु कुमार पुत्र सुवांशु संबंध में थाना शामिल है। हाँ ठीक है। That the address furnished by the petitioner in the cause title is correct. Though the Land and Counsel for the petitioner submitted that he had furnished the surety documents to the Land and Counsel for the state, but the state council submits that the same is not available on record. Let a fresh set of documents of the two local sureties be furnished to the Land Council for the aji padebe achi.
Pardon to mention as per trial court advocate instruction gotte khali IO witness अछि prefer target order again gotte IO अछि
ସେଟା ଆଗରୁ କହିପାରୁନାନି ସେ ଯୋଉ ସମୟଟା ନଷ୍ଟ ହେଲା କଣ ପାଇଁ? Stop. The Land and Counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since केବେଠୁ
14/2020
14/2020. Only one witness has been is remained to be examined in the trial court. He seeks that the case may be targeted. Land Counsel for the state has no serious objection to such prayer. If the submission made by the Land and Counsel for the petitioner that only one witness is left behind to be examined in the trial court is correct, then the Land and Trial Court shall do well to conclude the trial within a period of 3 months from the date of recording of the accused statement. Copy of this case be disposed of.
Item 40.
My lord, paper 1 week adjournment.
1 week after. All right. 23 तारीख है सुनो.
Yes.
Item 41.
Ma'am, lords. Petitioner is
Yes.
Petitioner is in custody since my lord 5/9/2021. Last occasion, a lordship directed for status report. Undated
Just a minute.
status report.
Asila
is-
status report.
Yes, my lord, that is in flag.
What is your name? Subhash
Sure,
Chaudhary.
my lord.
ये से कुआ की उसटा जाइतला बेल नहीं थला से कोड फेरा रही गला आसिला नहीं. तो ये तो उत्तर प्रदेश रो ये एड्रेस वेरिफिकेशन करंतु हला ये लिखंतु स्टेटस रिपोर्ट कह देबे से जो नितिन चौधरी वाली कुआ की जाइतला देखि देबे से स्वांशु the address verification करी एवं superintendent of police wants regarding instruction regarding the apprehension of the arrest the arrest of this Nitin Chaudhary है ना. हाँ थोड़ा हाँ yes
My local bailer.
आसु आगे मूल पढ़ी चेंज गोटे देखुंदी तक यार धरा हो तब
Okay.
Item 42.
T2 matter on behalf of Mr. Mahapatra Pasavar.
Status report
स्टेटस रिपोर्ट आसिनी हाँ आस जाइए तो
flag B.
हाँ बाकी इसे 500
Item 43.
May I please? On 26 July 2024, address verification was sought for. 26 July.
ଆସିଲା
Yes.
ଠିକ ଅଛି
Yes. Correct.
locality ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. The Land and Council for the state has produced one, so found that address is correct. Let the names, address, and documents of the local security be filed. And instruction be obtained. Please, there is here.
Item 44.
May I please, my lords? We are paying through VC, my lords.
ଦିଟା ଜାଗା ଦେଇଛି ପୁରା।
There are number of matters TRLA ସହିତ ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ତକ ଅଛି। So mother of the deceased was supposed to be notice କହିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
Yes.
Pass on. Anybody has the no. Alright, the Land and Council for the state has produced the report regarding service of notice on the mother of the deceased. ये किए रंजन कुमार साहू किए कौन आपन को कहबी माने बुझी बुझी पार आपन कहला जे submitted that she has sought for instruction from the so and so regarding sufficiency of service of notice on the informant that sita paile. There are some connected matter. The mother of the deceased constable case sange kichi samprukt noi se khali informant. The mother of the deceased as the victim of the case be intimated by the inspector in charge that she is at liberty to appear in this case, so also in the connected cases to oppose the prayer for bail. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଏଇଟା ରହିଥିଲା ତେଣୁ ମଦର ଅଫ ଦି ଡିସିଜ୍ କୁ ଆପଣ ନୋଟିସ ଦେବେ ଆଉ ଏଇଟା କଣ ଆଣି ପ୍ରଡ୍ୟୁସ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା ପୁରା
With due respect, may I be allowed to submit one thing?
what is the name of the mother of the deceased?
Mother, my lord, Mithila Mirza.
Mithila. Mithila Mirza. Mirza. So whether notice on Mithila Mirza has been
My lord. But complaint report not received.
That you are to receive. The Land and Council for the state has produced an answer, which is taken on record. But as per the order dated 2/8/2024, notice is required to be served on mother of the deceased, Mithila Mirza. Land Council for the state submitted that instruction has already been given, and the matter will be taken up next week to produce the compliance report. Put up this matter on 16th August 2024.
I will be permitted to submit, my lord, one. 147 today's one on item list 147.
So hold on, 2020 with connected matter.
Thank you.
With item number 147.
Okay.
All right.
May I please, my lord? 144, item number 144
also a connected matter with 144.
Both are connected matters. That's right. Yes, next.
Replacement.
My lord, 144, item number 144.
Next, the 144 thousand asio. Yes. Next.
Item number 45.
Procedural lordship, my lord. Here, my lord, petitioner is languishing in the jail court on 21/3/2024, my lord. And
wait. SCST offense notice sufficient?
No, my lord. Actually, confirmation letter.
Acha, next week case diary पाई जंदी.
Na.
Detail कर दियो तो. Grant counsel for the state 6 adjournment till next week to produce the confirmation letter regarding service of notice on the informant. So also the case diary and criminal antecedents against the
next week
petition. So hello, 8 है. So ये Rahuna the next week.
Yes, my lord. Next week date. Oh, sorry.
So hello, 8 उड़े date नहीं की.
Sorry.
Yes.
My lord, pass over, my lord.
46.
Pass over, my lord.
Pass over.
Thank you.
Item 47.
Your lordship. My lord, initially, this present petitioners filed the bail applications, and your lordship was pleased to allow the interim bail application for a period of 3 months.
Wait.
Next.
Notice. Okay, matter to be listed on 16/8/2020.
My lord, in the meantime, today I am supplying the copy of the deposition that out of 24 witnesses, charge sheet witnesses, that 10 witnesses has already been examined.
And yes, he is filing the deposition copy of 10 witnesses. I
Certified
supplying
copy.
the copy
Yes,
to
yes, my lord.
copy
Certified.
supplied to the land and council. Mr. Das, copy ରଖନ୍ତୁ 10ଟା ସାକ୍ଷୀର ଏତେ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ହେଲା.
And I am in custody since 2015.
Yes, let him get that confirmation letter regarding service.
Surrender in time.
And custody certificate ଟା ବି ନେଇ ଆସନ୍ତୁ କଣ
Again, 2015, sir. I am in custody, my lord, since my lord 13/7/2015.
Date ଟା ଲେଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 13/7/2015 custody certificate ଟା ଆଣିବେ ହେଲା.
And your lordship was pleased to allow 3 months thereafter after expiry of that. It has ଆମର ଯାଜପୁର ଯାଜପୁର ଟାଉନ କି ରଗଡି
he was taken into judicial custody.
Surrender in time
and he was released on interim bail once
by this honorable court once for a period of 3 months.
Once for a period of 3 months.
And thereafter, my lord, he surrendered.
Okay. Next. 48.
We will come on, madam.
Next week.
Yes.
Page 3.
Maybe it's
yes.
Your lordship, by dated 2/8/2024, lordship directed to file the order passed on 3/8/2024. Consider interim bail, lordship.
Last 1 year, the said order was passed. Last 1 year, the third victim could not be traced out, Your Lordship.
Mr. Counsel, this is the bail application of the year 2024.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So this order is passed for the first time in this.
No, Your Lordship. Prior to that, Your Lordship passed that order.
In this application.
No, Lordship. It's connected trial matter.
Yes, next.
Lordship, Lordship, can this be take up at 2 p.m. Lordship?
No.
Okay.
Either argue or it will be taken up next week.
Lordship, I argue.
They are already there.
Lordship, on the last occasion, Honorable Court directed the accused to file the deposition copy.
Yes, have you filed it?
Yes, sir. Yes, Lordship.
No,
And
last is 2/8/2024.
Yeah.
It indicates that you have filed the comprehensive affidavit and criminal antecedent relating to the crimes. So also the sanction Advocate General, since the company is not on record, list this matter, registry shall place the comprehensive affidavit. So that is. So what further you want?
Sir, I have filed that comprehensive affidavit along the status report of the cases where the accused was detected. And moreover, as per the direction of this Honorable Court, the Lanen CGM already examined the informant victim.
Where is the deposition copy?
I have submitted prior to that occasion. I sent it to the court as well as sent it to the AG office, my lord. And Honorable Court directed the Advocate General's office to be produced.
Offenses under section
307, my lord. 307, 394, 326.
So how many witnesses have been examined?
Sir, including the informant victim, the 3 witnesses have already been examined.
But the deposition copy of only 2 witnesses are available in the case record. PW3 ଅଛି କି ଦେଖିଲେ?
ନାହିଁ
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି?
ମତେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି PW3 ନାହିଁ।
ନାଇଁ କୋର୍ଟ ରେକର୍ଡ ରେ ବି 2ଟା ଅଛି 1 and 2. 3 ନମ୍ବର ସାକ୍ଷୀର ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି deposition copy?
ମତେ କେବଳ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି PW2 ଟା।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ନାଇଁ କୋର୍ଟ ରେ ବି ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି PW2.
Sir, court direction କରିଥିଲେ sir.
What is the deposition copy of the informant? You said PW3 has been examined. So supply the deposition copy of PW3 to the State Council and also file for the court along with PW1.
Yes, sir.
Lieutenant Counsel so appears to advocate the virtual modes and submits that Divya Prakash Mishra and Counsel and submits that in the meantime the informant has been examined as PW3.
Sir, PW2. PW2, sir.
PW3 की एक पहले.
Sir, what independent witness, sir?
अच्छा, one independent witness has been examined as PW3. However, he has not filed the deposition copies of PW1 and PW3, not supplied the same to the Lieutenant Counsel for the state. He submits that he will supply the evidence copy of PW1 and 3 to the State Council, also filed for the court by Tuesday, put up this matter on 16th August 2024. Tuesday,
Lordship, on 16th August, maybe I am not available, Lordship.
Then 23rd, 23rd August. All right.
Item 50.
50, my lord. Last occasion, your lordship had order dated 2/8/2024 called for a report from the police regarding the conduct when he was on interim bail, whether he has misutilized any liberty or anything. That report was pursuant to order dated 9/4/2024.
Last time केवे जाइथिले? PLAPL number?
2 times he has been released on bail.
Last time ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଛି ଆପଣ 2 times.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it BLAPL 7286 of 23?
7286.
Order dated 12/10/23?
Yes, ma'am. And
ସେତେବେଳକୁ କଣ ଥିଲା ପୋଜିସନ କଣ ଥିଲା କେତେ ସାକ୍ଷୀ
9 ଜଣ ହେଇଥିଲେ ସେଇ 9 ଜଣ ବି ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆସିଛି ଲର୍ଡସିପ।
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସାକ୍ଷୀ କେତେ
ସେଇ 9 ଜଣ ଅଛି ଏଇଟା।
Oh, same thing. All right. He was directed to be released on interim bail for a period of 3 months in BLAPL number 7286 of 23 as per order dated 12/10/23. And by that time, 9 witnesses had been examined. The status report furnished by the London trial court indicates that no further witness has been examined. Counsel for the state has produced written instruction received from IAC Barpali police station dated, which indicates that there is no allegation of misutilization of the liberty by the petitioner during the period of interim bail. Same is taken on record. 3 months bail granted. Yes. Disposal. Disposal. Pass over that.
Pass over item number 17.
May I please? Madam, offense 27 and 29 of your NDPX Act, my lord. Custody since, my lord, 8/1/2021, my lord. And in this case, my lord, 2 accused persons already released on bail, my lord. No, 8/1/2021, my lord.
First time, my lord.
Only confessional statement he is implicated in this case, my lord.
Case diary anyway. Criminal antecedent. This is item number 17. CD, CA, and custody certificate. Sabuda ne aso. Hala. And tolo kotra asibo status report. Hala. Etika asibo. Gote saptaha pare Shukrabar 23 tarikh din asibo.
Okay.
Item 31.
Mr. Krishna Chandra Mahanti.
Item 46.
Last time I have submitted the copy to his notice the informant.
46.
My lord. 46.
46 last order is 2/8. Council 6 submit till next week in order to enable confirmation letter regarding service of notice.
Service है ये 7/8 train.
Oh, 7/8 ताले आपको 16 रे आसु छि जदी कोन
Next.
अच्छा 23 तारीख. The London Council for the state submits that notice on the informant has been made sufficient on 7 August 2022 in order to give an opportunity. Respondent number 2 for the informant bracket respondent number put up this matter on 23rd August 2024. If any London Council enter appearance, so on, so his name shall be reflected. So,
Item 40.
just 40? 42.
42, yes. 42 is that. It's the issue.
42. Rajesh Kumar Mahapatra. Non-appears for the तो बाकी जो लिस्ट थोड़ा सा देख ले अपन मॉडल जो रेडी कर दियो लॉन्च करे नवा
एम्स को वाइफ को एडमिशन करबा
Only, the mentioned matter will be taken off. And if you have some difficulty, ask one of your friend to make a mention. At the time of call. Yes.
Item 171 is the extension of time.
Call the matter serious.
Item number 52.
May I please, your lordship? Petitioner is in custody since 6th January 2022. Lord, there are 27 charge sheeted witnesses.
You have.
I have already given. Same day I had given the deficient copy. I had already given. Mr. Tripathi.
For the state council?
At that time, Mr. Tripathi was there. On second, as for a lordship, I have given. Also taken his signature.
The 55 was mentioned.
This is your first application.
My lord, no, earlier occasion your lordship was pleased to release the petition on interim bail for a period of 3 months.
When?
That is BLPL number 4739 of 2022. I think on dated 10th June 2022. Yes.
BLPL number 4739.
My lord.
That was disposed of on 6/2/23.
6 June 2022.
No. 6/2/23 and.
No, your lordship has granted interim bail.
That was rejected and the trial court was directed to expedite the.
My lord. In the meantime, my lord, out of 27.
No, you said that you have been granted interim bail on in which
my lord,
case?
That is, my lord, 439 of 2022.
So, counsel, that number is wrong.
It has been
4739 of 2022 is order dated 6/2/2023.
Lordship will find it has been reflected in the rejection list, page 14.
Do not know. That order, that was a rejection order. You are never granted bail in that case.
My lord, in this case, my lord, another BLFL 5680 is pending. The same petition number.
Yes, he is right.
5680
That is not in the list today.
No, 23.
And counsel for the state submitted that the petitioner has filed another bail application, which is also sub judice. And the same is numbered as
BLFPL number 5680/2023.
BLAPL number 5680 of 2023. Put up this matter next week with BLA number 5680 of 23.
My lord.
Number 53.
Mr. Dilip Kumar Mahanti.
May I please, your lordship?
Is diary available?
My lord. My lord, on the last occasion, my lord called forth. Petitioner is in custody, my lord.
Wait. What happened to your first bail application?
It was rejected by your lordship. With liberty to renew after
when it was rejected on
my lord, it was on
BLAPL
4676 of 2022.
Have you got the copy of that order?
My lord.
Pass on.
Last at which?
So because of the main allegation is against you,
My lord,
and you have assaulted on the head
my lord,
that was by a pottery, which is the cause of death, that was rejected. So what is your submission now?
my lord, my respectful submission before my lord is that the incident occurred on 15th June, my lord.
No, don't argue on merit because it was
The deceased
rejected.
expired after 11 days while
That was also considered.
my lord,
It was rejected.
in the meantime, there are total 9 accused persons and 8 have been granted bail by my
You
lord.
are the main accused, and you
My lord,
on account of your assault,
8 have been.
You did since when?
My lord, I am in judicial custody since 17th June 2021.
What happened to the trial?
My lord, out of 32 witnesses, only 12 witnesses have been examined, my lord, and it was targeted by lordship.
Status report has come.
My lord. December 23 ସୁଦ୍ଧା ସାରିବା ପାଇଁ ହଜୁର.
So any criminal antecedent, Mr.
No.
Are the learned counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state? The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that when the petitioner earlier approached this court for bail, BLAPL number 46 of 2022, as per order dated 21/7/2023, while rejecting the application for bail, the London trial court was directed to expedite the trial and to conclude the same by end of December 2023. And the petitioner is in judicial custody since 17/6/2021. But the London trial court has not complied with the said order, and therefore petitioner may be granted bail since all other co-accused persons have already been released from bail. And counsel for the state opposed the prayer for bail, submits that he is the main accused in this case and assaulted on the head of the deceased by means of arts. The status report submitted by the London trial court indicates that out of 32 charge sheet witnesses, 12 witnesses have been examined. Taking into account the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody for more than 3 years, and since the order passed by this court in BLAPL number so and so has not been complied with, it is directed to be released on interim bail for 3 months. It will appear before the trial court on his state and shall not try to tamper with the evidence, shall not indulge in any criminal activities, violation of any terms and conditions, shall entail cancellation of bail. Yes, disposed of.
Obliged. Item number 54.
Please, Lordship, at the last occasion, address statement, address verification was sought for Lordship.
What was called for?
Address verification, Lordship, because he's a citizen from Malkangiri but was working in Andhra Pradesh.
Yes, Mr. Das has not come. Let it be on. The counsel for the state 6 for an adjournment 16/8/2024.
Obliged, Lordship.
To comply the order dated 12/7/2020. Yeah.
Obliged.
Item 55.
May I please, your lordship? Lord, I am on VC, my lord.
Yes.
The 2015 charge sheet has been submitted under section 420, 406,
14th of March 2024.
2024.
Yes.
In the charge sheet, the name of the petition was not there. It was filed against the other persons and they faced the trial. And having been convicted, they have preferred appeal, and in appeal, they have been released on bail. So far as the petitioner is concerned, the investigation was kept open. And when the learned trial court issued the NBW challenging this at NBW, he approached this honorable court. And as per the direction of this honorable court, he surrendered on that date, that is on 14/3/2024. Since so far the investigation
What is the allegation against you as per charge sheet?
Now in the charge sheet, my lord, no allegation against me. But in the FIR, there is allegation that one
Prabhu Kumar Panda.
In the charts, in the FIR, there are some allegations to the effect that, in fact, my lord, two other person of other they were the
charge sheet is annexed at page 2016. So in the charge sheet, what he says that nothing single line is there against the petitioner.
The charge sheet was filed because he was absconding. And the other accused were arrested. So keeping the investigation open, the charge sheet was filed.
Okay.
So NBW against him was issued in 2016. He was evading arrest. He was only arrested because of the NBW issued by the court, and subsequently he approached this honorable court.
No. Please, you submitted the first charge sheet on 6/7/2015.
Miller.
Okay.
Miller.
So in the first charge sheet, names of only three persons.
Miller.
Krishna Chandra Sahu 1, number 2 Pranay Kumar Behera,
Miller.
number 3 Abhimanyu Mahapatra.
Miller.
So that charge sheet was filed, investigation was kept open under 173A.
Miller.
So subsequently, have you filed charge sheet against him?
No, charge sheet.
Then how the court issued NBW against him?
Miller, the materials were collected and the placed before the court for issuance of NBW.
Yes. No. Now what is the position? Whether charge sheet has been filed against this man? Because by the investigation, it was kept open in 2015.
Miller.
We are 2024.
Miller.
So 9 years have passed.
Miller.
So what materials you have collected and whether you have submitted charge sheet for which this man is in custody since 14/3?
Miller. 14/3 is custody. Miller, charge sheet I have not obtained as yet. Miller. Whether it has been.
No, who is your investigating officer in this case? So he can say that why he prayed for issuance of NBW.
Because he was the director of the company.
Okay.
The managing director and directors were evading arrest. Miller. They were absconded. So on the basis of collected against them, an application for issuance of NBW was made.
Okay.
So that was made in 2016, but he was arrested in only March 24. Since in the meantime, 120 days has been elapsed. Miller.
Okay.
Miller.
And let us say he was the managing director according to you.
I was not the managing director. Two other persons.
One of the directors.
Now, one of the person working in the company.
No, he was the director.
Case record shows that he is the director.
Miller.
So the other persons who were charge sheeted,
they were not the director or managing director.
No, he said that they faced trial and found guilty. So who were these three persons?
Those three persons against whom the charge sheet was initially submitted.
Who are they? Krishna Chandra Sahu.
Miller.
Krishna Chandra Sahu.
Who are they?
Miller. Krishna Chandra Sahu.
Krishna Chandra Sahu, then Pranay Behera and Abhimanyu Mahapatra. According to your charge sheet, who are they? How they are linked with the company?
They were the employee of the company, and they have collected money. Your Lordship, kindly have a glance, page 27.
You see, from if you come to charge sheet was submitted Krishna Chandra Sahu. If you come to the paragraph page number 26 of the charge sheet and come to the second paragraph, please come.
During course of investigation,
No, tapur paragraph.
accused persons, namely Krishna Chandra Sahu, director,
So he was also the director, one of the directors. And Pranay Kumar Sahu is the branch manager.
Abhimanyu Mahatra, senior associate of the company, were arrested on 9/3/15, 10/3/15, and
So they were also linked with the company.
Yes,
One
yes.
was the director, one is branch manager, the other is the senior associate.
Miller.
And whether those persons were on bail during trial.
Yes, my
No,
lord.
that Miller instruction I have not obtained, but they were convicted and in appeal. This honorable court has enlarged.
No, that is one part. Well, I just want to know that whether they were on bail during trial or.
They were on bail, my lord.
So when NBW was issued?
In 6/2/2016.
And he challenged the NBW before this court.
Yes, sir.
In what application?
In criminal miscase, Miller.
Yes.
He has challenged it in criminal miscase number
5143 of 2023.
5143.
Yes, 2023.
Of 2023.
It was disposed of on 22nd of February 24.
22nd February 24.
Annexure 4 is the order.
Annexure 4.
Yes, sir. Page 32 and 33.
So as it appears on the application of the investigating officer, NBW was issued, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the allegation against the company that how the company received the deposits or what?
Yes, yes. Fixed deposits and other term deposits.
Okay.
Alluring the public to give more rate of it.
Okay.
Some of the fixed deposits have been granted by the accused persons have been exempt.
Okay. Now, what is the amount involved in this case? That is not there reflected in the charge sheet.
No, it is reflected, Miller, since the investigation was kept open.
No, that's open means it cannot be for an indefinite period.
No, now it must have been submitted since he was arrested in March.
No, you just take instruction whether final charge sheet has been submitted or not. What is the amount involved in this case, and what is the role of the petitioner? Is director one of the director? Another director has faced trial. If he was on bail or not? That also. So, likhon the learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that charge sheet was submitted on
6/5/2015.
6/7/2015. 6/7/2015 against three accused persons, namely Krishna Chandra Sahu, director, Pranay Kumar Behera, branch manager, Abhimanyu Mahapatra, senior associate of, what is the name of that company?
Orissa in.
Acha, Anneswa in India Limited. You see page number 26 re, third line ne eta mention each company na. Hala, bracket re group of company, Baleshwar branch like them. Hala. And the investigation was kept open, and the persons charge sheeted were on bail during trial, and after their conviction, they preferred criminal appeal before this court, and they have already been released on bail. It is further argued that even though in the charge sheet there is no material against the petitioner, but subsequently on a petition filed by the investigating officer, non-bailable warrant of issued against the petitioner on 6/2/2016, which was challenged by the petitioner before this court in CRLMC number 5143 of 2023, and said application was disposed of on 22/2/2024. And as per the said order, the petitioner surrendered before the Learned Trial Court on 14/3/2024, and he has received the case diary.
Item number 58.
58, may I please, Your Lords?
Yes, Mr. Is it your application? Which was your last application?
Last application, my lord, BLPL 2433 of 2019. Custody period. Yes, my lord. That is, my lord, in
Yes, sir. Any witnesses stated?
Yes, my lord. In 19 witnesses, my lord, the material witnesses, one eyewitnesses are there, my lord.
It's a case under 396.
396, 397.
So on 396/97,
The
So-
one eyewitnesses is there, my lord.
eyewitness has named you or identified in your case.
Yes, my lord. In identified in TI period,
Yeah.
and also in court, my lord.
Hmm.
PW8 is the eyewitnesses. my lord.
PW8.
Yes, my lord.
So you are taken into custody when?
My lord, since my lord 30 January 2017.
You have never been released on bail.
No, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Dar. That
my lord.
date is correct as per charge sheet. Please verify the charge sheet.
My lord, due to such inordinate delay in trial, my lord has granted one co-accused bail application regular, my lord. That is annex in Annex 3, my lord. Page 16, my lord.
ତିରିଶ 1/2017। PW8 is Maheshwar Pradhan.
Yes, my lord.
And that accused who was released on bail is one Rajendra Singh,
Yes.
alias Chabra.
My lord.
And he was also identified
In TI period.
and also in court.
Yes, my lord.
And you are a man from?
Man from Bihar.
Jharkhand.
Jharkhand, my lord.
Address verification has been made?
No, ma'am.
So do that. And also obtain criminal antecedent.
And no antecedent.
No antecedent. All right. Since the Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that this court has granted bail to one co-accused, namely Rajendra Singh alias Chabra, in B 242 of 2023, as per order dated 15/12/2023, mainly on the ground of period of detention in judicial custody and slow progress of the trial. And the petitioner is similarly situated and is in judicial custody since 31/2017. The Learned Counsel for the state submitted that PW8 Maheshwar Pradhan is the witness who has not only identified in TI parade, but also in court. And the said witness are also identified the co-accused Rajendra Singh alias Chabra, who has been granted bail by this court. However, he submits that since the petitioner is a man from state of Jharkhand, may be given some time to obtain instruction whether the address furnished by the petitioner in the cause title is correct or not. Baki usual order for the matter to be listed on 23rd of August. 30th August. 30th of August. Yes.
Petition number 59.
The petitioner is in custody, my lord, 24/11/2020, my lord. And this is a case under section 395, 411, 412, 409, 120B, 201, 420/34 of published, my lord.
Your earlier
In this
bail
case, earlier bail application, my lord, was rejected on 2/2/2024, my lord. By your lordship, my lord.
No, in BLAPL number.
In BLAPL number, my lord, 14,446, my lord.
Yes.
And subsequent development, my lord, one Pavitra Kumar Behra, similar putting, released on bail by your lordship, 22/3/2024, my lord. And thereafter,
What is the bail order of this? What is the number of that application?
my lord,
Co-accused application.
co-accused, my lord, Pavitra Kumar Behra, my lord, released on bail, my lord, have annexed in annexure 4, my lord. Let's see, bail number Pavitra Kumar Behra, BLAPL number 1883/2024, man. And another, your lordship will find, your lordship in the last occasion, 26/7/2024, one Santosh Boy on similar footing, released on bail by BLAPL number 6221 of 2024, man. And another one, Prakash Kumar Sahoo, also similar footing, has been released on bail by BLAPL number 9081 of 2021, man. So this petitioner is on similar footing. All other co-accused persons, except this petitioner, have already been released on bail. And now out of 126 charge-sheeted witness, my lord, only 21 witnesses have been examined. 126 charge-sheeted witness, man.
Are the learned counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 24/11/2020, and similarly situated co-accused persons, namely so and so Lakhai and 8 adjudication bail applications, have been directed to be released on bail. And in the trial court, out of 126 charge sheet witnesses, only 21 witnesses have been examined. And after going through the copy of the bail order and hearing the learned counsel for this case, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Allowed.
Blessed.
Hard Mr. Lakshminder Mahapatil and counsel so and so. Sure. Yes.
Petition number 60.
May it please the lordship.
Yes,
May it
it was
please.
adjourned.
Last occasion, your lordship seeked for the address verification of the present petitioner.
A man from West Bengal, Murshidabad district.
My lord.
We already sent letters, my
So
lord.
get it on 16th, we'll take up.
69, 23.
23rd. 23/8/2024 for address verification, more time required, है ना? So, yes.
Item number 61.
Status report was called for in the last occasion. Flag B mail. For my instruction, 7 witnesses has been examined.
Status report indicates out of 21 witnesses, 5 witnesses have been examined. You are in custody since when?
29/7/2021.
29/7?
29/7/2021.
କୋଉଠି ଲୋକ କୋଉଠି
From Bihar, my lord. Mungar district.
Address verification ହେଇନି?
My lord? No. No order.
Address verification of a man of Bihar. Periodic status report collection and matter to be listed on 23rd. All right? Yes.
Item 63.
May I please? The CD and antecedent report was called for, my lord. When on similar footing, all the co-accused persons were granted bail, my lord.
Who has been released on bail?
My lord, Annexed 3, my lord.
Series.
3 series. All the accused person bail order is here.
It is basing on confessional statement.
My lord.
You are also case is confessional
statement.
Yes, Mrs. Sahoo. What is your date of custody?
Custody since 2/5/2024.
You are not apprehended at the spot.
No, my lord.
Your name finds place in the FIR.
FIR achieve
on the basis of co-accused. Who are the persons who are apprehended at this spot?
Prafulla Bhagarti.
Mrs. Sahoo, just verify the FIR. He says that 2 persons who are apprehended at this spot are Prafulla Bhagarti and Santosh Bhagarti. And the rest of the names, it is basing on their statement. Hardil and counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state. Submitted custody since 2/5/2024 and basing on the confessional statement of the co-accused accused and co-accused person to also has been released on bail. They should have a BLFL number 831 of 2024, 833 of 2024 by order dated to answer. But the order of the state council doesn't dispute. So is granted bail. Hello.
Obligation.
Item 67.
Petition custody from the 23 July 18. In the meantime, lordship allow interim 2 times. And last earlier bail application is 10,000.
You have case diary? No. And the report indicates that out of 27 witnesses, 9 witnesses have come.
Hello.
Have you given the copy of deposition of the witnesses?
Already I'm already filing, my lord.
So just go through the case diary and see if any other important witnesses have been left out to be examined or not, right? Where is the status report, which indicates that out of 27 charge sheet witnesses, 9 witnesses have been examined. And counsel for the state is yet to receive the case diary. Let us verify whether any material witnesses are yet to be examined in the trial court or not. So I'm listing it next week. Yes.
68.
It was directed to state to verify whether the petitioner is similarly situated to accused Dilip Maharana, alias Duma and Bhutta, which released on bail.
Case under section?
Case under section, my lord.
395.
395.
Upon that
For
material.
antecedent, my lord.
Huh?
My lord, I have already filed the criminal antecedent affidavit.
Comprehensive affidavit you have filed?
Yes, my lord. On the 19/7/24, my lord.
Okay. No. This it's a case under 395,
my lord.
307, and other offenses.
Other offenses, my lord.
So, what is against that Dhumma for which you are claiming parity?
My lord.
And what is against you? You have been identified in the.
No, my lord. TI parade has not been conducted, my lord.
Not conducted?
No, my lord. And the FIR is, my lord, unknown FIR, my lord. Unknown FIR, my lord. On basis of, my lord, one Nabokishwar Swai, who is the mystery of that hotel, my lord. Yes, name, my lord.
So, he has also named that Dhuma.
My lord. My lord, kindly
glass. Na se jo witness na kouchandi?
Witness na Nabokishwar Swai, my lord. Page 50.
Just a minute. Nabokishwar Swai.
My lord. Page 55, my lord. Page 55.
65.
55, my lord.
55.
My lord. My lord, the relevant page, my lord.
55 to Sahu. 55 re ये जो नवकिशोर साहू ना स्वाई?
Nabokishwar Swai, my lord.
He stated that this man has named the co-accused who has been directed to be released on bail, namely Bhutta na Dhuma.
Dhuma Kutta, my lord. Dilip Maharana, alias Dhuma, alias Bhutta. And other co-accused persons, my lord. So, Dinabandhu Maharana. I have also annexed all the.
You mean to say similarly situated?
My lord. Dinabandhu Maharana.
And you are in custody since when?
My lord, I have been. My lord, I am remanded, my lord. I was in another case, my lord.
Okay.
I have been remanded in case.
In this case, taken on remand.
My lord.
What date?
3rd July 23, my lord.
Submitted showing charge sheet as asked for remand.
No, he was in another case taken on remand in this case, what he says.
My lord.
And
so, my lord,
so the rejection order also reflected that as per the confessional statement, the petitioner was entangled in this case.
yes.
My lord. And my lord, the informant, your lordship statement of informant kindly class, my lord. 56.
No, informant has stated about the occurrence, but you said that it is against unknown persons.
Unknown persons. Dubok mane kala mukha pindi ke astele.
Surely.
And only that
are the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. Learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner was taken on remand in this case on 3/7/23.
3rd July 23.
And he has been charge sheeted under section 457, 395, 435, 307, 427 of the Indian Penal Code. The first information report was lodged against unknown persons and no test identification parade has been conducted. However, one Nabokishwar Swai has named the petitioner along with the co-accused Dilip Maharana alias Dhuma alias Bhutta, who has been directed to be released on bail by this court in BLAPL number 156 of 2020 as per order dated 27/5/2020. And therefore, the bail application of the petitioner may be favorably considered. Learned counsel for the state has produced the case diary and after verification submitted that there are as many as 4 criminal antecedents. Land Counsel for the petitioner has filed a comprehensive affidavit relating. No, it is not 4. It is.
IAC Odoga
IAC Odoga has submitted, but another
IIC Odoga 4 criminal. However, the Land Counsel for the petitioner has filed the comprehensive affidavit not only relating to the status of those cases but also other cases. Considering the submission made by the Land Counsel for the respective parties, the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, and since similarly situated co-accused has been directed to be released on bail, and neither the petitioner has been named in the FIR nor any test identification period has been conducted, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition, appear before the trial court on each date, the case would be posted, shall not indulge in any criminal activities, appear before the Saranpur police station, hala, once in a week on every Sunday in between so and so, hala, for a period of 6 months from the date of release. One of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail. Yes.
3 and 4 explosive act also is there.
Achha, just a minute. Let me see the chart sheet. 3 and 4 also. Solid waste. 3 and 4 explosive substances. Hala? That is item number kete wala hai?
68 my
lord, my another submission is, my lord, the petitioner is also the bail petition of this petition, my lord, is also pending in another case, my lord. And my lord, after release of I will surrender. I will
from the date of release means when you will come out,
my lord,
not that from the date of order.
My lord.
When you will come out, then you are to comply all these conditions.
My lord.
So unless you are released on bail in all the cases, you cannot come out. Okay. Yes. Next.
At 169.
On behalf of the SRS, my lord, it's a Belgium matter. Last occasion, your lordship directed to file an affidavit along with the order copies that have been filed and flags. They were granted bail on 23/7/2013, and the NBW has been issued on 10/5/2023. And pursuant to the NBW, they are taken into custody.
Land Counsel for the petitioners has filed the copy of the bail order.
Bail order and warrant order.
And the order of issuance of non-bailable warrant of arrest. Hearing the Land Counsel for the respective parties, when the petitioner was on bail and due to non-taking of steps, non-bailable warrant of arrest has been issued and he was taken into judicial custody on
It's number 1 surrendered 19/4/2024.
petition number 1 surrendered on
19/4/2024.
19/4/2024 and
petition number 2 on 27/3/2024.
the surrender kala?
No, production warrant.
Production warrant arrest kala. 21/3
27/3/2024.
24 है ना first surrender kala, second arrest kala. So on the basis of the production warrant, he is held up in some other case. So on the basis of the production warrant, he was taken into custody. E type language, है ना? So बाकी Belgium format के लिए bail allow करते हैं, है ना? Yes.
Public.
Item number 71.
In last occasion, your lordship directed my learned friend to obtain the instruction regarding the issuance of Wait, please, Your Lordship.
ABLAP,
My Lord. So FIR in the year 2017, my Lord, pertaining to the Bhadrak riot case. And Your Lordship,
you are asked to obtain instruction about the issuance of process under 82-83 CRPC.
Process under 82-83 service has not
Not been issued.
not been issued.
Okay.
On verification of the criminal antecedent, my lord, six
Yeah.
criminal antecedent.
Kitna?
Six,
6.
my lord.
So
all the antecedents arise out of the Bhadrak riot case and all the
just file a comprehensive affidavit.
And warrant is pending against him, my lord.
Take down the numbers which she is referring to and file a comprehensive affidavit.
My Lord.
The Lieutenant Counsel for the State on instruction submitted that no processes under 82-83 CRPC has been issued against the petitioner. However, the petitioner has got 6 criminal antecedents. Land Counsel for the petitioner seeks some time to obtain instruction in respect of the status of such cases and file a comprehensive affidavit put up this matter on such and such date. Yes, next.
My Lord, interim order, my Lord.
Interim order is there?
Yes, my Lord.
Regularly. Yes, interim order to continue. Yes.
Grateful.
Item 82.
Here, my lord, last occasion 82 call for the my lord, status report and petitioner custody since my lord 17/1/2000 and though in earlier application BLA PLA number my lord 9006 of 2022 order dated 13/4/2022 my lord directed to Lorraine Trial Court conclude the trial within 6 months, but that has not been completed, and more so, out of 17 witnesses, only 2-3 witnesses examined, and my lord also last occasion called for the status report, my lord.
One witness has been
One, my lord. Royally, my lord.
You earlier approved this court?
Yes, my lord. That 9006 of 2020.
What order was passed?
Conclude the trial within 6 months.
When that was disposed of?
13/4/2023. 13/4/2023.
You are a local man?
Yes, my lord. And custody 17/1/2022.
Oh, that's all right. Machkun District Koraput. Yes, Mrs.
Yes, ma'am.
Are the Lieutenant Counsel for the custody since 17/1/2022. Earlier approved in BLFL 9006 of 2022. Trial was directed to be concluded within 6 months as per 13/4/2023. Status report submitted indicates one witness has been examined. 3 months bail granted. Yes, next.
Item number 83.
This is the second application, my lord. Earlier filed the bail application 5008 of 2022. The lawsuit was rejected the bail application on the ground that after deposition of the examination of the victim guard. Victim is there, my lord. The second, the present petition is custody from 6/4/2022, my lord. Your lordship 9/4/2024 that to take instruction after taking the deposition by order Annex 3, my lord. The petitioner stated that earlier he has married to one S.K.Sahoo and thereafter he has left to Bombay, my lord. Page 16, everything has been narrated, my lord. On 30th,
victim is examined as PW?
PW 1, my lord.
1.
My lord.
What is your age?
He is a married lady, my lord.
Oh, married lady.
My lord.
I am the victim and also the informant in the case.
Case
No,
16.
the accused Jagdish.
Case 16, he has.
Occurrence took place once. So, accused promised me to marry, committed rape, made me pregnant. Okay. So, what happened to the pregnancy?
Born a child, my
Then
son has been born. My instruction.
you are in custody since when?
6/4/2022, my
6/4/2022
22.
charge sheet under section
Under section 417, 372,
417
376 2N, my
376 2N
506 452 376
506 then
452, my
452
then 376 2I.
Yes, Mr. Tripathi.
Yes.
You want evidence of the victim.
Yes.
Promised to marry and kept relationship, then became pregnant. Are the land counsel for the petitioner land counsel for the state. Custody since 6/4/2022 charge sheet submitted. Offense would have victim has been examined as PW1 and no chance of tampering with the evidence now.
You are granted interim bail.
And
Yes, sir.
Whether surrender certificate filed or not.
Petitioner was granted interim bail as per the order of this court dated one soon. And the Laden counsel for the petitioner has produced the surrender certificate which is taken on record. Submits that the bail application may be. And counsel for the state oppose the prayer for bail. Place the evidence of the victim PW1. Considering the submission, nature of accusation against the petitioner, nature of evidence adduced by the victim, period of detention in judicial custody, conduct of the petitioner in compliance with the interim bail order granted by this court, bail application is allowed.
Okay.
Item 84.
यहाँ पर Mahantimar, may I please? It's my first bail application, and without going to merit of the case, I beg to submit that I am more than 7 years in custody as a UTP. I am in custody since 1/7/2017, madam.
So produce the custody certificate. You have never been released during that corona that
No,
COVID
not
period.
at all. All along I have
Status report called for me.
Okay.
I have already served the deposition copy as per the lordship.
No, you said that you are not moving the bail application on merit, but on the ground of delay in disposal of the case.
My lord.
Start submitted that he is in judicial custody since
1/7/2017.
1/7/2017. Custody certificate to be produced.
And this petitioner have 8 criminal antecedents.
8 criminal antecedent comprehensive affidavit to be filed. Matter to be listed on 23rd August 2034. Yes.
Item 85.
Yes.
Yes.
80?
85.
85. Yes.
Offense under section 302, 326, 307, 34.
CD available?
Yes.
Yes. The petition.
So earlier application?
No, first application. Co-accused released by this report.
Released on bail in PLAPL?
8084 of 2017.
Have you 8084 of 2017?
17.
So you are in custody since when?
21/11/2023.
21/11/2023.
23. Yes.
And you have been charge sheeted under section?
Same offense, 302, 326.
302.
326.
Yes.
307.
Yes.
34 IPC.
What is the name of the deceased?
Umakanta Behra.
Date of occurrence?
13/4/2017.
So
charge sheet 9/8/2017.
Eyewitness injured.
Injured.
The eyewitness.
Injured.
What is the name of the?
Nonia Behra.
Nonia. Nania. Nonia Behra.
Yes.
What role he has attributed against you.
ସନ୍ଦେହ କରୁଛି ମୁଁ ସନ୍ଦେହ କରୁଛି ଯେ the present petitioner along with the others ମୋ ଭାଇକି ହାଣି ମାରି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି due to the previous dispute.
And what is the PM report finding?
PM report
Death due to
Yes, death due to
injury to
the vital organs like brain and heavy bleeding from injury site.
So any co-accused, one co-accused has been released.
there are 5 co-accused persons. All 4 accused persons have been released on bail.
Where is the bail order? You submitted that one
8084 of 2007 granted.
84?
8084.
Kahin bail order copy kahin? 8084
Yes.
of 2017. In that case, who has been granted bail?
Dilip Das.
How kiye jayisen?
5809.
Where have you stated in your bail application that co-accused persons have been released on bail?
Yes,
and this
released
is
on
the
bail.
bail application number.
Number 3.
Then
Uh, 5809 of 2017. Tapan Das.
Yeah.
5809 of 2017. Tapan Das was released on bail by Honorable Justice J.P. Das.
ତାଙ୍କୁ ବି implicate କରୁଛି ସେ ଯୋଉ ନଇନା ନନିଆ ବେହେରା
Yes.
ମିଷ୍ଟର ନନିଆ ବେହେରା ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ implicate କରୁଛି ଏ ଯୋଉ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଦିଲ୍ଲୀପ ଦାସ ଆଉ ତପନ ଦାସ
ଦିଲ୍ଲୀପ ଦାସ
ପଢିଲେ ସେ ଲାଇନ ଟା
ଏହି ସମୟରେ ହାତରେ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ରିକେଟ ଷ୍ଟମ୍ପ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀପ ଦାସ ହାତରେ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ରିକେଟ ଷ୍ଟମ୍ପ ପୁନାନାଥ ହାତରେ ଗୋଟେ
ମନୋରଞ୍ଜନ ବସନ୍ତିଆ
ଦନିଆ ଦନିଆ କଣ ଧରିଥିଲା
ଦନିଆ ବସନ୍ତି ହାତରେ ଗୋଟେ କୁରାଢି
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ କ୍ରିକେଟ ଷ୍ଟମ୍ପ ଇଏ କୁରାଢି ହାତରେ କୁରାଢି ଧରି ସ୍ଲାଙ୍ଗ ଆଜି ଶେଷ କରିଦେବା କହି ମୋ ପିଉସାକୁ ମାଡ ମାରିଲେ ଦନିଆ ଧରିଥିବା କୁରାଢିରେ ତା ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ଚୋଟ ଦେବାରୁ ସେ ତଳେ ପଡିଗଲା ମୁଁ ଏହା ଦେଖି ଦୌଡି ଆସିଲା ବେଳେ ବିଚିତ୍ର ବେହେରା ହାତରେ ଗୋଟେ ବାଡି ଧରି କହି ଦୌଡି ଆସିଲା ସେତିକିବେଳେ ମୋ ପିଉସା ତଳେ ପଡି ରକ୍ତ ଜୁଡବୁଡ ହଉଥାନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ମାରନି କହିବାରୁ ସେମାନେ ନିସ୍ତୁକ ମାଡ ମାରିଲେ ମୋ ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ଆଘାତ ଲାଗିବାରୁ ମୁଁ ବେହୋସ ହୋଇ ପଡିଲି.
What about the criminal antecedent?
One criminal antecedent.
What is that offense?
506.
Assault part is attributed to this petition.
Pass on that PM report, let us see now. He was holding a cottery.
Kuradi. Yes. Others and assaulted the head of that deceased.
Occipital region में caught injury हो रहा था.
Yes.
All the injuries are antemortem. Death is due to vital organs like brain and heavy bleeding from the injuries. Are the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 21/11/2023. He has been charge sheeted under section 302, 326, 307 by 34 of the Indian Penal Code. The occurrence in question took place on 13/4/2017, and as per the eyewitness account of Nonia Behera, the petition.
Sorry, coming late.
Phone आती कौन?
Most of the
This has already been examined. My friend has not copied to me. The petition of the case. Split of case. Hospital case.
He was taken into custody on 21/11/23.
Yes.
So obviously his case has not started. It is started so far as the co-accused persons who are on bail.
Yes. No, he is the main accused, my lord.
No, that he has submitted this.
Yes, examined all the certified copy which are available with me. Yes.
The witnesses of
Yes, my
the
lord.
state council submitted that he is the main accused in this case.
Yes, main accused.
Assaulted. ଆଉ ସେ ଆପଣ ଅଧିକାଟା କଣ କହିବା କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି କହିଲେ ସେ କୁରାଡିରେ ମାରିଛନ୍ତି ମୁଣ୍ଡକୁ ମାରିଛନ୍ତି ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ଇଞ୍ଜୁରି ଅଛି ଆଉ that is the cause of death ଆପଣ ଅଧିକାଟା ଆଉ କଣ କହିବେ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି
No, my lord. In this case, my lord, most of the witnesses are examined, injured also examined.
ସେ ଯୋଉ ଏକ୍ସାମିନ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଯୋଉ କୋ-ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କେସ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଇଏଟା ସ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ଅଫ୍ କେସ୍ ଟା ଏଇ କେସରେ ସେମାନେ ଯୋଉମାନେ ବେଲରେ ଥିଲେ ଆଗରୁ ଏଇ ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ କଷ୍ଟଡିକୁ ଗଲା 21/11/2023 ରେ ସେମାନେ ସବୁ ଆଗରୁ ବେଲରେ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି 2017-18 ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ଚାଲିଛି ଏବଂ ୟୁ ଆର୍ ରାଇଟ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ସେଇ କେସରେ ଗୁଡାଏ ସାକ୍ଷୀ
except IO.
ହଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଏ କେସରେ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଇନି
So in that case, my lord, they all have stated the procedure. My lord. Yes, my
ମୁଁ
lord.
କହୁଛି ଆପଣ ଅଧିକା ଆଉ କଣ କହିବେ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଷ୍ଟେଟ କାଉନସିଲ ଆପଣ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଷ୍ଟେଟ ସେଟା କହିସାରିଲାଣି ଆପଣ ଯଦି କଣ ଅଧିକା କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଚାହାନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଆଣ୍ଟିସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ମଧ୍ୟ ତା ନାଁରେ ଅଛି 506 ର ସେ କଥା ମଧ୍ୟ କହିଲେ ଟୁ ଇନ ଆଡିସନ ଟୁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ହ୍ୱାଟ ୟୁ ୱାଣ୍ଟ ଟୁ ସବମିଟ ପ୍ଲିଜ ସବମିଟ
But that, my lord, my friend already submitted. I have not received the copy of the.
All right. The eyewitness Nania Behera has implicated the petitioner and other co-accused persons on in the assault of the deceased Umakanta Behera. And the co-accused persons Dilip Das and Tapan Das have been directed to be released on bail by this court in BLAPL number 8084 of 2017 and 5809 of 2017. And therefore, the bail application of the petitioner may be favorably considered. Learned counsel for the state, on the other hand, placed the statement of Nonia Behera and submitted that the petitioner was armed with a kuradi. ଲେଖିଦେବେ ତାକୁ ଇଏ ଦେଖିନି ଇଂଲିଶ ହେଲା କୁରାଡିଟା ରହିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ଓଡିଆ ୱାର୍ଡଟା ରହିବ ହେଲା and that is on the head of the deceased. And as for the post-mortem report, there are number of cut injury on the occipital region, and the cause of death was also on account of injury to the vital organs like brain and heavy bleeding from the injury sites. Whereas the allegation against the co-accused persons who have been released on that they were holding cricket storms. And therefore the petitioner, and moreover the petitioner was an absconder and he is having one criminal antecedent for an offense under section 506 IPC. Therefore, he cannot claim parity with the co-accused persons who have been enlarged on bail. Learned counsel for the informant also opposed the prayer for bail and submitted that in the case of the co-accused persons, trial had progressed a lot and all witnesses implicated the petitioner in the assault of the deceased and the petitioner played the vital role. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the respective parties, nature of overtax attributed against the petitioner and post-mortem report finding and the fact that he was an absconder while not inclining to release the petitioner on bail, the London trial court is directed to expedite the trial and conclude the same within a period of 6 months from the date of framing of the charge. The petitioner is at liberty to renew the prayer for bail if the trial is not concluded within the said period. Copy of the order be communicated to the London trial court. Yes. Yeah.
Item 86.
Please, Lords. Lords, present petitioner is in caution since 11/11/2022, Lords. Offences under section 20B2 C of NDPS Act, Lords.
What is your custody date?
11/11/2022.
11/11/2020. 2020.
Yes, Lords.
This is item number
86, Lords.
Aguru astile.
Yes, Lordship.
When your last bail application was?
Last bail application was, Lordship, bail number 11/1196 of 2023. In this bail application, your Lordship have also released 3 months, Lordship. I have already surrendered, your Lordship. Thereafter, Lordship filed and bail application 3/2000
case wrong.
Till late, your Lordship, trial has not yet been commenced, your Lordship. Lordship, kindly.
Not commenced.
Yes, Lordship. Kindly.
Was called for.
No, my Lord.
Then let it come.
Lordship, kindly see page 35, Lordship.
35.
Yes, Lordship.
What is there?
Third line, your Lordship.
Third line.
Trial of this case is yet to commence.
This is rejection order dated 3/2/2024,
your Lordship.
You are a local man.
Yes, Lordship.
Are the learned counsel for the petitioner. Custody in 11/11/2020. And last time when the petitioner was approached this court, he was granted interim bail for 3 months, not misutilized liberty, surrendered at right time. And the rejection order indicates that the trial has not yet commenced. After hearing the learned counsel for the state, 3 months bail granted interim bail.
Yes. Obliged, Lords.
Item 88.
May. Last time your Lordship were directed to file a comprehensive affidavit, my Lord. That is the Belgium matter, my Lord. Earlier, Lordship.
You have so you are required to file comprehensive affidavit. So have you given a copy to the State Council?
Yes, yes, yes.
Let's kindly have a glance to page 16 of this brief.
16.
Yes. Annex 4.
Yes.
Rejection order. Right. The present accused was released on bail by order of Honorable Court in BLPLS 1 so 17/11/2016 on 28/12/16 with condition that he will not indulge himself in any criminal cases while on bail, and he shall appear in person on each date till disposal of the case. It is found that by the order dated 10/3/18, counsel for the present accused filed a no instruction memo and the court issued NBW against him. The NBW is executed on 25/9/23. Charge is yet to be framed against the accused person.
No, the most important thing is that he was granted bail when, that is 28/12/2016.
Yes.
Thereafter, how many cases have been
10
instituted?
cases.
Thereafter.
So,
Thereafter.
these are 2017, 2018,
Yes, ma'am.
and those cases are under section 302.
In 302.
302,
Admittedly, my
307.
Lord. Yes, my Lord. Admittedly, my Lord. 13 criminal antecedent, my Lord.
Sorry.
All the cases, my Lord.
Councils want to, even though it's a Belgium matter, but since after availing the bail, the petitioner has indulged in as many as 10 criminal cases, including offense under section 302 and 307 IPC. I'm not inclined to release bail. Next.
Obliged.
The files, the comprehensive affidavit taken on record.
Item number 89.
May I please, Your Honor? Here are 2 bail applications. and the petitioners are in custody from 12/11/2016.
What order was passed last time?
Last in 23 status report was called for in 661, 663 and 2 of 2024.
12/4/2024 पर आउ कौन ऑर्डर ହେଇଛି?
20/3/2024 सेकेंड बेल एप्लिकेशन
ଏଇଥିରେ ହେଇନି ଆଉ
ସେଟା ଏକାଠି ଥିଲା ତ
23 ने
CDCA କଲ୍
हाँ सीडी स्टेटस रिपोर्ट भी कॉल फॉर ହେଇଥିଲା
यस मैडम
स्टेटस रिपोर्ट करा अच्छा what is your instruction?
Instruction investigation is officer is not examined.
IO
And IO is not
for IO's exam. And you are in custody since when?
12/11/2016.
So have you been ever granted interim bail?
Yes, my lord.
When you were granted?
In 2022 for a sister's marriage. 14/2/2022 रे in bail PL number 9.
On 10
No,
1
then you are granted bail for on 13/2/2023 also.
Yes, my lord.
For a period of 2 months.
Yes, a woman sir. दी थरा.
You are right. 2016 अच्छा अच्छा ताले दिथर आपन बेल दिया इसी गोटे थर 3 सप्ताह आ गोटे थर 2 मास पई. And what the rejection order indicates?
rejection order indicates
Investigation.
as on
page 18.
Prosecution witnesses are not
10/1/24. Admittedly, hearing of the case was remained on progress due to non-appearance of the investigating officer Divyalochana Behera, against whom NBW has been issued to the secure attendance.
काहे कोन हला का आसुनी के आपनकर आईओ
10/1 रे तापर कोन हेचु
हां
10/1 रो ऑर्डर
नहीं नहीं एटा 22/1 रो ना
22
आपनकर 22 रिजेक्शन ऑर्डर टा डेट होची 22/1 2024 कम टू पेज नंबर annexure 3 देखना दी
16 copy of order dated 10/1/24.
Please come to the copy of the order dated 22/1/2024 annexure 3 को आछन तो
16 रो मु सेट देखु
नहीं नहीं 1663 रे अपन 14 टा धरछि
बहुत
हां हां नीटा जाको सेही पखा पखी हेतला
अच्छा एटा so जहाँ भी हो investigating officer sometimes it's so investigating officer केबे प्रथमे माने वारंट हुए नहीं से बहुत गड़िबो तापरे बेलेबल वारंट तापरे नॉन बेलेबल वारंट ये बेले बेले हुए कि जो कौन हुए ना से जो जदि ट्रैप केस करिया कि केस रे पछतांदी बड़ा को फेरा रही जाती कि मिशा सेही गुडा को हितियो जैसे इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर दिव्यलोचन बेहरा तेणु ये लोग
7 मास पळेलानी तो कोन हेचु ता स्टेटस
27/1/2023 रु आसुन
heard the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. He was taking on petition number 1 hela
8/11/2000
eta dita ko common order kar debe. Petitioner Shashi Bhushan hela 2/11/2016 ଆଉ petition number ए जो सूर्य से हला 8/11/2016 ये जो लिखा है जी BLAPL नंबर 944 of 2022 रे at flag B रे अछि है ना and he was granted interim bail तार दे लिखा है जी एवं तापरे से BLAPL 944 of 2022 रे mass bail जाइछन है ना the rejection order indicates that the reason for delay of trial is on account of non-appearance of the investigating officer against whom non-bailable warrant of arrest has been issued. 3 months bail granted, interim bail. Yes, next.
Okay.
disposed of.
Item number 90.
Pardon my lord. He was not aware this petitioner had approached
Bill appeal number 13017 of 2022 on my lord 31st July 2023. The lordship directed to do the expedite the trial as expeditiously as possible. My lord.
Criminal breach of trust as office assistant of the university and other fees amounting to 97,53,900 not deposited the same in the account of university. So you are directed acha expedite trial kariya ପାଇଁ କୁହାଯାଇଥିଲା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ position କଣ?
Only 7 witness examined out of 38 charge sheet witness.
38 ରୁ 7
Yes.
status report ମଗା ହେଇଥିଲା
No.
ଆସିନି
No.
acha learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since
29/4/2022.
29 ହେଲା his bail application earlier bail application was rejected in BLAPL number 13017 of 2022 as per order dated 31/7/2023 and direction was issued to the Learned Trial Court to expedite the trial. However, out of 38 charge sheet witness, only 7 witnesses have been examined. Let a status report be called for. Matter be placed on 23rd of August 2024. कितने नंबर वाला item? 91.
Item number 93.
May I please, Your Lordship? So, my lord, the petitioner is in custody since 15/8/20, my lord.
Status
आसिकी,
report was called for. Yes. Flag G.
Your Lordship,
16 charge sheet witness to dita witness examination.
Your Lordship, kindly see Your Lordship's order, page 20. Paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In view of the eyewitness account of Swanshaw, my lord. And your lordship also directed by the order dated, your lordship kindly see by the order dated 12/4/24, your lordship also directed to examine, my lord. But I have got the certified copy, my lord. Your lordship till today only that two, except two, nobody.
ସେ ଦି ଜଣ କିଏ?
So they don't both are
Rohit
declare
Matkami and Podia Sodi.
No, they are the eyewitness. Those examine, my lord. Page 22, your lordship kindly see.
ଆଇ ୱିଟନେସ୍ ଯୋଉ ଦି ଜଣଙ୍କର ବେସ୍ କରି ମୁଁ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କରିଥିଲି,
My lord.
in view of the eyewitness account of Rohit Madkami,
my
the son of the deceased,
My lord.
Palla
My
Madkami, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କିଏ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମିଷ୍ଟର ତ୍ରିପାଠୀ?
ନାଇଁ ଦୁଇ ଜଣ
Podia Sodi ନୁହେଁ
ଏଇ ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ଅର୍ଡରରେ ଅଛି
ଆଇ ୱିଟନେସ୍ କିଏ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ନା କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
My lord, ରୋହିତ ମାଡକାମି and ପାଲ୍ଲା ମାଡକାମି।
ପାଲ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା PLA।
ପାଲ ମାଡକାମି ପରା ଡିସିଜ ର ନା ଆଉ ପାଲ ମାଡକାମି?
ସରି my lord।
ପଦିଆ ସୋଡି।
ପଦିଆ ସୋଡି my lord, ହଁ।
ପଦିଆ
ସୋଡି
SODI।
ହଁ yes।
ତାଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରୋଡ୍ୟୁସ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଣି ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ।
Your lordship directed on 12/4 but
12/4 ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ଥିଲା।
For which my lord I have got the certified copy, my lord।
କଣ ହେଲା
ସେ ଆଣୁନାହାନ୍ତି certified copy, your lordship kindly see the certified copy, the order dated 20/5, accused person namely Swanso এটা নিয়ম are produced from custody, the case record is posted for trial, no CSW is present, issue summon to the rest of the Swanso fixing the 18/6, thereafter also on 18/6 your lordship kindly see the certified copy 12/7 and 12/7 ର ମଧ୍ୟ ସେୟା ବି ହେଲା।
So Mr. Tripathi,
yes sir,
if you will not produce the witnesses on the next day, then you will face the contempt proceeding because it is flawed in the order of this court. There was a specific direction.
Yes sir, we are already intimated।
ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ period the order dated 12/4/2024 in BLAPL number 1444 of 2024, which is the earlier bail application of the petitioner.
No, this is the your application is 1986.
Yeah,
এই কেসরে আগে কইদিলা
in which there was a direction to the inspector in charge of Kalimala police station to appear before the trial court, receive summons in respect of witnesses Rohita Madkami and Podia Sodi and ensure their attendance on the date fixed, that is 25/2024. The London Council for the petitioner has produced the order dated 25/2024, which indicates that the witnesses were not produced. Asha, no charge sheet witness was present on that day. And the case was adjourned to 18/6/2024. So what happened on 18/6?
18/6 I have already given the order, your lordship send ସେ ଦିଟା ଯୋଉ ଦେଇଥିଲି ଦିଟା ବଞ୍ଚରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଇଥିଲି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଇଟା ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ବଞ୍ଚଟା ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଟାଇମ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଲା ପରେ
ଏଇଟା 17/1/22 ଦେଖିଲୁ
my lord this
wait turn around 35 copy done
my lord ଆପଣ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ କପି ଦେଇନି ତ ହଁ ଜେରକ୍ସ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ କୋଟା କୋଟା that is the order copy, certified copy ର ଜେରକ୍ସ କପି my lord ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ କୋଟା କୋଟି ପକେଇ ପଡ଼ିଗଲା
କପି ଟାଣ ସିଲ୍ ମାରିକି ରଖିଥିଲ ଦିଅ
somehow I think it is misplaced, my lord, my file, my lord।
That is the photocopy of certified copy.
He submits that even on 18/6/2024, also no witness was present. The aforesaid 2 eyewitnesses were not produced. According to the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, the case is now posted to.
My lord, on bars 12/7, thereafter the further date, my lord.
No, you just ascertain from this one. So give the date I am mentioned.
My lord, just.
Gap chhad diya.
My lord.
It is made clear that if the IIC of Kalimala police station doesn't produce the aforesaid witnesses on that day, after receiving the copy of summons from the Land and Trial Court, this court may draw a proceeding under Contempt of Courts Act for flouting the order dated 12/4/2024. Copy of the order be handed over to the Land and Council for onward transmission communication to the IIC, concerned IIC, and copy of the order be also communicated to the Land and Trial Court by the registered judicial through email. These are all taken on record.
My lord, within 10 minutes time.
Matter to be listed, se jo date kahibe tar pore pakeibe.
My lord.
And if the aforesaid 2 witnesses are examined, will produce the certified copy. Yes.
My lord.
Item number 95.
This is cost process, my lord, 6/2018, my lord. Earlier, after this,
Your Lordship,
label number 7694 of 2018, my lord, which was dismissed on 27/2/2019.
What
Your
is your
Lordship, may I be pardoned? Mentioned in item 95.
Yes.
Your Lordship, in item 95 is a CBI matter, Your Lordship. Mr. Sarthak Naik, due to some personal difficulties, unable to appear today before Your Lordship. May I pray for a short adjournment in the matter, Your Lordship?
Okay, it will be taken up next week on 16th. So keep it.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Is made on behalf of Mr. Sarthak Naik, Learned Special Public Prosecutor for CBI, that he has got some personal difficulty, and the matter may be taken up next week. List this matter on 16th August 2024. Mr. Satyaranjan Modia, the petitioner, is present. Yes.
Call number 1197 of
2000. Which number?
1197 of 2023.
1197 of
2023.
2023. Who accused of bail application?
Main accused.
Your Lordship,
8/2024. It a dispose of case, no?
Yes, Your Lordship.
The dispose of case, that is BLAPL number 1197 of 2023. Yes, next. Sir, issue co-accused or na kono? Jira jaiki.
Abhishek Singh Chauhan.
Abhishek Singh Chauhan. Bracket re likh debo. Yes.
Item number 96.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, on the last occasion, that is order dated 12/4/2024, the status report was called for, and also there was a direction to solve the copy of the deposition to the counsel for the petitioner. I also received the copy of the depositions.
Status report indicates that out of 23 charge sheet witnesses, 6 witnesses.
Lordship.
You have given the copy, deposition copy.
All the copy has supplied by the registry to the petitioner and the state.
Okay. So you approached this court earlier.
Lordship, and the
BLAPL. Last time
3839
so
of 2023.
You are granted interim bail for 3 months.
For 3 months, Lordship.
Because you were custody hala 13/11/2019.
Lordship.
6 summer surrender kale.
Lordship, right time.
Oh.
and see only the PW5 lordship. The PW5 was examined on 22nd February 2023, and after loss of 1 year, that is on 21st March 2024, the PW6 was examined.
All right, take down. He was 18 जो P839 of 23 रे, है ना? He was taken into judicial custody on 13/11/2019 से order टा देखी करिवे. Granted bail for 3 months, है ना? In BLAPL number 3839 of 23 as per order dated 12/10/2023 after availing his surrender at right time, and status report indicates that out of seat witnesses, 6 witnesses have been examined. Learned counsel for the petition submitted that PW5 was examined on 22/2/2023 and PW6 was examined on 21/3/2024, and thereafter no other witness has been examined. 3 months bail granted. Yes.
Public.
Item number 97.
Discretionary custody since 21/6/2016, and this is the second bail application. Earlier this petition up to this undergo at BLAPL number 8285. This undergo directed complete trial at the end of December 2023, madam. In the meantime, only my 29 witnesses have been examined out of 57 charge sheet witnesses.
No, the status report, it is Session Judge Katak. It indicates that out of 57 charge sheet witnesses, 41, in the meantime, 15 have been examined. 1 witness has been declined. So 41 witnesses are yet to be examined, and out of 41, 17 are from other districts, 9 are from the other states. 1 witness is from belongs to Arab Emirates. So thereafter, some more witnesses have been examined. This is the appeal report.
29 witnesses.
It is that case जो से जो कौन
Terrorist. Yes.
terrorist, yes, से जो
Al-Qaeda.
सालेपुर ना कोडी.
Yes.
अच्छा प्रेजेंट इटा 18/4 रो ये report होची आसची, but learned counsel for the petitioner submit that some more witnesses have been examined. Fresh status report मगान, है ना? एवं while submitting the status report, the learned trial court shall indicate what time shall be taken further to complete the trial, है ना? And matter to be taken up on 23rd. Fresh status report. Huh?
Item number 97.
97.
Item number 99.
May I please, your lordship?
This is item number
99.
99, Mr. Roy.
My lord, may I please, your lordship? In this case, status report and custody certificate was called for.
Status report indicate that out of 23 charge sheet witnesses, 6 witnesses have been examined.
My lord, and only because it was not mentioned in the last week, I have supplied to my learned senior Mr. Tripathi. He has not accepted because it was not mentioned. And out of those 6 witnesses, my lord, no material witness have been examined. And only single blow has been given by this petitioner. and the person who has given the Kati blow, he is in custody. I was custody since 2019.
What is the date of custody?
Custody, my lord, 13/11/2019.
After under which charge sheet submitted?
My lord, charge sheet submitted under section 341, 294, 506, 307, 302, and 34.
You approached this court earlier?
My lord, your lordship has granted bail. First time, my lord, I have approached in BLAPL 2940 with another person. And my lord has granted bail to petitioner number 2 and rejected the prayer of
2387 of 3.
2387. My lord has granted interim bail for 3 months. ତା ଆଗରୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା 2940/2020 ରେ your lordship has granted bail to petitioner number 2 and rejected the prayer of this petitioner.
Okay. ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ he was ସେ order ଟା ଦେଖିକି ଲେଖିବେ ଯୋଉ 2387 ରେ ଆର earlier application ହେଲା taken into judicial custody on 13/11/2019 ତା ଦେହରେ ଯାହା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଲେଖିବେ ତା ସହିତ ସେଇଟାରେ ଲେଖିଦେବେ 2387/2023 ରେ you were interim bail for 3 months surrendered and status report indicates that out of 23 charge sheet witnesses 6 witnesses have been examined ହେଲା 3 months bail granted. Yes, next.
Item number 100.
May I please your lordship? My lord, petitioner
149.
150. Yes.
149.
143.
One. Yes, your lordship. 170 modification.
142, my lord.
Take good.
142.
143 assessment.
Extra copy.
Notice anyway.
Extra
143 assessment. Hello.
172.
Modification କେତେ modification extension time କେତେ 2-3 ଟା chapter
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେ list ର
list
କାଗଜ list ହେଇଟା list ଟା ମାନେ ଏଇ list ଦିଆ ହଉଛି list କେମେ ନା list
शुभम कुसुम ଜାଗାରେ शुभम କିସାନ ହେଇଛି ଅସୁବିଧା
ଏଇଟା ଠିକ ତ
ମୋଡିଫିକେସନ शुभम कुसुम ଜାଗାରେ शुभम କିସାନ ହେଇଛି
ନା ଟା କଲେ ଟାଇଟଲ ନା
ବଦଳି ଯାଉଛି
Experience period extension. Partition matter coming to
121 Ordinance order has been fought by my lord in 19 my lord and subsequently they have filed an
My lord, 131, my lord. 131, my lord, 9.5 years.